Okay, so I'm back with a new video. See, I told y'all I was gonna be consistent. Okay, so we'll start first with the Hermes. Okay, so I actually went into Hermes to look for, which I was just trying my luck, to look for the Hermes Shearling Oran sandals. I just wanted to see them in person. I saw them on a few people in a fuchsia pink, and I really thought they were really, really, really cute. And I am one of those people who believes that you can wear slides or sandals, especially if they are fur lined, in the fall. Keep your little toes warm. So of course when I went in there, they did not of course have them. They are actually sold out worldwide, and that's okay, because I found an alternative by Valentino, and maybe me or my sister, because she has them too, because sometimes we have the same things. We'll talk about that, but I found that as an alternative. Definitely got it for like under retail, so it was a no-brainer that I was gonna get that. So when I went in there to the store, the sales associate was like, look around. Okay, so I looked around. I was looking at shoes, nothing I was interested in, just, you know, browsing the store, and I saw this little gem. So I wanted this bag. Actually, my sister put me onto this bag back a few months ago, and she always has this thing about how I always steal and buy what she wants, but for me it's just like, okay, you influenced me and I found it first. So I saw this bag in the corner on the shelf, and actually there was another woman in there who picked it up after me, but I said I wanted it first. And it's actually the Hermes. It's actually called the Hermes Brac. Sorry guys, I pronounced it wrong the first time. This canvas is orange. I wanted the orange or the fuchsia pink. I have the PM size. It snaps at the top and it's pretty roomy. So I do see myself, I needed a new bag that I can just, you know, casually carry around. It is the same shape as my Bottega Jody, and we all know y'all tired of seeing me in that Bottega Jody, and I love my Bottega Jody, so I think I'm going to love this. Also, I see a lot of people on the resale market selling these for like double the price. This with tax is only $575. I think that's a reasonable price, is considering that the Jody is like $1,900. But you know, we didn't pay regular price for that. And I think this is a decent price for a bag that you can actually resell, because like I said, the bag is going for double. I believe it's like, if you see it in store, you know, then it's like luck of the draw if you get it. But I would say, to me, this is a good investment because you can double the price. They didn't, so I wanted a box and they didn't have like the exact box for it, but I think this box, oval shape, is perfect and will do. So next pickup was from Chanel. So I actually went into Chanel to try on and look for the like loafers, the quilted loafers, and of course they're sold out worldwide. I really wanted the pink, and if I did see the pink, I would have gotten those. However, they were sold out worldwide, and the sales associate was really nice. It was a Monday. Again, today's Monday. I'm not saying it's a Monday. It's Monday, so of course it's quiet in the stores. So the sales associates were very lovely. I asked to see some earrings. They didn't have much earrings. I asked to see belts. They didn't have much belts. They didn't have much necklaces. I did try on like this headband that was like all rhinestone out, and I had like hanging chains and the double C's with my earrings on. It was really, really nice, but I don't know where I would be going in something like that. But they did have like, that was a really cute headband. So I like, for the winter time, I like Chanel hats. If you watch my older videos, you will see that I like to get my hands on Chanel hats. They go very, very quickly. And again, to me, I feel like when you go on the resale market for a hat, like it's like double, sometimes triple the price. So if you can get it at retail and you can sell it back if you no longer want it, that's, to me, it's a good investment. So I was on Instagram and I saw this guy I follow with a gray beanie and a neon C. So I was like, oh, that's nice. And I saw it in orange. I did see a few sales associates that I shop with in New York have it with the gray with the neon pink, and I wanted the gray with the neon pink, but once I saw this guy in the gray with the neon orange, I was like, that's different. So I went inside of the store and she went in the back and she had the gray with the neon orange. So at first I was like, okay, none of my coats would match this. But I'm thinking of wearing this hat maybe when it like transitions to like fall to winter. You can wear it with, I'm thinking of wearing it with like sweats and like, you know, like sweatsuits and what else, like leggings, like dressed down but dressed up nicely. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, so I was thinking when I saw this hat, I just instantly thought like, okay, like a little bit dressed down, more relaxed, running to the mall, you know, running around doing errands. That's what I thought of when I saw this hat. So it was a definite pickup. It just so happened that everything I bought today is orange, so maybe orange might be my fall color. Who knows? Sometimes things just magically happen that way. But I'm really happy about my 2 purchases today, especially the bag. I think I'm really going to enjoy using that bag just to throw around and, you know, roll around with, because right now I don't have many big bags. I think sometimes all you need is just a small bag. Yeah, so I'm really happy about that. Thanks for joining me today for another video. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and don't forget to comment below if you like the bag, if you like the hat, and any questions that you may have about either item. See you guys later.